Uma muthenya wa mihang'o miingi kuri ateti aria marahuranira giturwa gia seneta na MCA kaunti-ini itiganite hindi iria magucokagia maratathi mao kuri kamiti ya IEBC. Kaunti-ini ya Bungoma, umwe wa atongoria a ngwataniro ya NASA Moses Wetangula auma muhari-ini wa mbere hari kuneana maratathi make mugaru na uria andu aingi mareciragia ati ndagukorwo akihuranira giturwa kiu. Wetangula nioririe kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka igatabania githurano kina waragania.
But what we expect here from IEBC on their doorstep is nothing less than delivering a free, fair, credible, just and acceptable election to the people of Kenya.
Nakuo kaunti-ini ya Nakuru, Speaker wa ihinda riri Susan Kihika onake ni ahitukirio ni kamiti ya IEBC akiuga we ni ehariirie gutungatira aikari a kaunti ya Nakuru.
All of you, my supporters, I tell you now, let's not get laid back. Yes. Let's get working so that we can make sure that we achieve our goal.
Kaunti-ini ya Isiolo, ahuraniri atano a giturwa gia seneta onao ni mahitukirio ni IEBC kuma kuri ahuraniri kenda aria marang'ethanagira nao.
I think I'm very delighted for today's exercise. I think I'm the person who actually the shortest time because all the documents and everything which are submitted are in order and the certificate is now with me.
Na muthiani ati kaunti-ini ya Uasin Gishu, Professor Margaret Kamal onake ni ahitukirio gukahuranira giturwa kiu. Thutha wa arwiriri a iturwa ngurani kurikia kurorerwo maratathi mao ni kamiti ya ithurano ya IEBC, riu aingi ao no mathiite na mbere na kuria muingi witikire kugacirithia thayu o riri twerekeire githurano kia mweri wa kanana. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, nie njitagwo Maina wa Mwangi.